Hello and welcome to UPS Education. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to fill the CUET PG's entrance examination form for 2026. First of all, go to our website upseducation.in, then click on the side menu and click on updates. Then it will take you to our blog where you need to find the CUET PG article. In this article, we have mentioned everything about the exam and also the registration link. Click on the registration link and it will take you to the NTA website where you will see 3 sections and you need to click on the new registration section because you are a new student. If you are a returning student or if you are already registered, click on login. So click on new registration. It will take you to the registration page. Read all the information and download the information bulletin so that you know what to expect in the exam and how to fill the form and the fees details and other things. So read it and make sure to download it. Then click on the checkbox and click on proceed. After that, you need to fill in your personal details, your address details, your communication details, and then you need to create a password. After that, you need to put in the captcha code and then click on next to proceed. So fill in all the details and address and then password, create a password, then put in captcha and next. Now this is a review page for the registration form and you need to review everything. Make sure to put in everything correctly, and then if you have, then click on the check boxes and then click on I agree, then submit and send the OTP to verify the mobile number. Click on that. So they will send you an OTP. Get the OTP, fill the OTP and submit the registration form. After submitting the registration form, you will be taken to the dashboard. In this dashboard, it will say that registration form is completed. If you have done everything correctly, they will give you an application number. Write that down because it is important and will be used later for logging in and other purposes. And then click on complete the application form to proceed further, to start filling the application form. So click on that and it will take you to the next page. Here you need to fill in first of all your personal details. Click on that and then put in your personal details like your parents' name, your name, your gender, nationality, state, category and other details related to it. Okay, you need to make sure to fill in everything correctly. And also one more thing, the information that I'm putting in here is for the demonstration purposes only. You need to fill in the information correctly according to you, which is correct, and not just copy it as it is. Okay, so read all the particulars carefully and then fill in the information. First your name, then your date of birth, then your parents' name, and then nationality, then state of domicile, and then your category and etc. other details. Okay, so fill in that. Enter the rest of the details, like if you have NCC quota or you are you a Kashmiri migrant, like your family income, your and any sports quota and other things. Then put in the captcha code and then click on save and next. Now you need to confirm, and then on the next page, disability details, you need to fill in your disability details. If you are, then yes. If you are not, then no. Then confirm it and then move on to the next. So choose your identity types, confirm, put in your identity details, and then put in on the next page you have to put in the AAPR ID. If you have the APAR ID, then yes. If you do not have that ID, then click no. Okay, then submit it and go to the next page. Now you need to fill in your choose the exam that you are appearing for, that is the CUET PG. Then you need to select the state where you are going to appear for the exam and then the city where you are going to give the exam. Okay, after that you need to choose the papers, and we are doing this for psychology, so you need to put in psychology. Psychology's code is HUQP20. You need to remember that and put in that, or you can just directly search the psychology. Alright, and make sure you have filled in everything correctly, the cities, the paper. Alright, now you have to select your test papers that you are going to fill. So now we are choosing psychology because of course we are this is for psychology students. So select the psychology, click here and search for psychology and you will get it, or you can just directly put in the code HUQP20. And then in other papers, if you do not want to select any other subjects, then click on not applicable, not required in all three of them, and proceed to the next page. Now you need to fill in some additional details, put in that, and put in the captcha code, then go to the next page. Now you need to take a live photograph and use the webcam to take it and capture the photograph and upload it. Then on the next page you need to upload the documents: a passport size photograph, your signature, and identity proof that you chose in the identity section. Then put in the captcha code and go to the next page, which is the final review. In the final review, make sure you have filled in everything correctly and all the particulars are correct, and you have not made any mistakes. So do that, thoroughly do that, and check every single column. Make sure the details are matched, and then after doing that, make sure you have uploaded the correct documents and captured the photograph correctly. After that, you can you can tick the boxes and that you have filled in all the details correctly. After checking the boxes, read the declaration, click on I agree, and then click on final submission of the application. That will take you to the next page. Here you can see now that the registration form is complete, the application form is complete, and the fees payment is incomplete. Now if you do have made any mistakes, then you can edit your application by clicking on edit application form, and if everything is correct, then you can just click on email ID to be verified. Then verify your email ID and proceed to the next page. Now to verify, put in the email ID that will already be there, and then put in the captcha code and submit to get the OTP. They will send you an OTP to your email ID, and get the OTP, put in the OTP, verify the OTP, and verify the email ID. Once verified, you can proceed to the payments page. Now the payment, the fees is for 1400 for general category. As we have selected the general category, make sure to check your category fees and pay it accordingly. Okay. Now choose a method of transaction, choose a bank, and then proceed to pay. That way your fees will be paid and your application form will be submitted. Thank you for watching the video, and if you do need any help, contact us.